Okay, so there's all kinds of expressions we can have, algebraic expressions. And by the way, when we're working with expressions, we usually do one of two things. Either we're simplifying them or evaluating them, sometimes both. Okay, so on D here, in the expression, I've got A's and B's, right? They have to give me, if I'm going to evaluate, I have to know both A and B. So A is 11, B is -8. So I'm going to put that in, 11 for A, and then it's going to be 11 times B, which is -8, plus a -8. So it's like, here's the B, and here's the B, and then here's the A, and here's the A. I don't know if the arrows help, but that's what we're doing. So each A became an 11, and each B became a -8. What you have to be careful with the notation is your operations, right? You have to know when it's multiplication and when it's addition or subtraction. Okay, so now we follow the order of operations. 11 plus, that's going to be a -88 when I multiply there, plus a -8. How do I want to do that? Well, I might just go left to right. So 11 and -88, that's -77, plus another -8. I'm going to say -85. So a little bit of thinking there for me at the end of this day, but I got -85. All right, now we have a different expression here. It's the square root of 2. 2 is a constant, and then m is 2. So that's going to be 2 cubed, and then n is 3, and I'm squaring that. So I don't know, you might want to color coordinate it here. That's the m, and then this is the n. Everything else stayed the same. Okay, now how do we work this? Well, we'll have to do the exponents first. So square root of 2 times, now what's 2 times 2 times 2? 8. And then I'll have to do 3 squared, 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, so let's see. This is going to be a big old number. And we haven't really talked about square roots yet. So 8 times 9 is 72. Maybe this is a better number than I was thinking. Okay, 2 times 72 is 144. And I happen to know the square root of 144, it's 12. So that turns out to be a 12. Now you might be saying, well, what if I didn't know the square root of, 144? Like, what if it was a 143 or something? You would just leave it the square root of 143, okay? And we'll talk more about radicals later, square roots. Okay.